everyone. This is John. I'm here at the Terra Diem tower. Pretty excited. I just got some new simulation tech for loose material. It's really rough. There's lots of problems with the graphics and everything, but the simulation is pretty cool, so I thought I'd show it. So here we are. I can pick the shovel tool, some sand, and I can place sand, and this is, as you can see, it makes a little mound. But now when you add additional sand, it simulates out. So if I click and add lots of sand, you can see that it starts building up and simulating. And similarly, I can remove sand and it will fill it in again. Or if I want to do a huge amount of sand here, I can just add large amounts of sand and you can see how it goes. So that's pretty cool. So if you have, it also works in constrained spaces. So if you have like something like this where you have a well, let's say we want to fill our well with sand, we can do that, fill it up, and it all stays within the well. And then once you get up high enough, it will start spilling out over the well and start spilling out onto the ground, which I'm pretty happy with. Does some weird things when I do things on walls. As you can see, it'll like fall down and splat on the ground. I put in windows so it doesn't go in through the tower. But the fun starts when we do something like this, where we have a big thing, and I've made a big well, and I filled it with snow. So in this case, I will do something fun, like if I mine out the bottom, you can see it'll start flowing out, and it actually conserves all of the matter. So there's 64 bits of snow in a block, and it will continue to drain out until it meets that. But all loose material will mound, so it isn't going to drain the whole thing, because if it were water it would, but snow it doesn't. It's just going to go out until it can reach the mounding point. If I like poke a hole in the middle, of course it'll pull out even more, or lots of holes, pull out even more. So it's, and you can see it sort of drains down and pulls out. This is a weird graphical glitch, which is just as it's draining out into the snow. It does resolve after a while. So the ignore the graphics for now. I'm working on that. But in any case, as you can see, it's sort of resolved now, and we have snow pouring out of our well. But we can also go somewhere even bigger. So we have this nice big tower full of sand. And let's say you're going along and mining along over here. You can come here and like, oh, let me just dig up a little bit. And oh crap, now you're going to start filling this thing with sand. As it starts flowing out, you can see it's draining down out of the tower into this this tunnel. So you can imagine if you were in the desert and you were digging up, you could run into an issue like this. So of course I will be working on making the graphics smoother and nicer without these weird cracks and other stuff. But this gives you a sense of where we're at right now. Looks like it's almost drained all the way out, so I think I will end the video here.